Greetings and welcome to the 1 Minute Message with Nicolette, where I share easy ways hard workers like us can improve our well-being by nourishing our most important relationship, the one we have with ourselves. The focus of this 30-day self-care series is journaling for introspection, reflection, and action. Each day, I'll provide one journal question or sentence starter for you to consider and respond to in writing. Today's question is, when was the last time I pushed the boundaries of my comfort zone? Spend some time thinking and writing about this. You may also consider starting or ending your session with a guided meditation to help you prompt or process your thoughts. I've linked to a few you can try. I'll be back tomorrow. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to this channel to receive the next question or sentence starter in this series. Leave a comment and let me know how it goes.